These classic cars are being sold for less than $3,000? Yep, you heard it right. Whether you're hunting for a project car or just want a slice of history, we've uncovered 12 vintage rides you won't believe are going for so cheap. Let's dive in. You don't want to miss this list. 1. 1976 Chevrolet Classic, 2000. First on our list is this 1976 Chevrolet El Camino from Tampa, Florida. It's a project car with a blown transmission, but the engine runs great. The seller has already installed new tires, a starter, and an alternator, and completed an oil change. While it doesn't currently drive, this red beauty is a great opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. 2. 1977 Oldsmobile 88, 2000. Duh. In Gainesville, Florida, we have a 1977 Oldsmobile Delta 88. This car has been sitting for years and needs a full overhaul, everything from the engine to the brakes and suspension. But the solid body and potential make it a dream project for anyone who loves bringing classics back to life. 3. 1968 Ford GT, 2000. This 1968 Ford GT in Godwin, North Carolina, is a rare find. It features a 302 motor, not installed, and a still intact transmission. Priced at just $2,000, this project car is in decent shape, but will need a title. With some effort, this could become a highly valuable classic. 4. 1973 Ford Mustang Grande, 1200. Located in Richmond, Indiana, this 1973 Ford Mustang Grande is listed as a parts car. It includes a title and VIN plate and offers components like a 351C 2-barrel V8 engine, doors, glass, bumpers, and more. This blue Mustang is perfect for those looking for hard-to-find parts or a base for a custom build. 5. 1976 Ford F-250 regular cab long bed. This rugged 1976 Ford F-250, found in South Haven, Mississippi, comes with a 390 motor, 411 gears, and massive 39.5 super swampers. While it has some rust and unknown history, this black classic truck is a dream for off-road lovers or those looking for a sturdy restoration project. Six. 1967 Ford F-100 regular cab. In Gadsden, Alabama, this 1967 Ford F-100 offers a strong V8 engine and rebuilt transmission. Originally from Texas, this long bed truck needs a battery and alternator to run. The seller is motivated and the package includes a tub of extra parts. With its sturdy build, this truck is ready for its next chapter. Seven. 1978 Ford Thunderbird Super Coupe, $2,650. This 1978 Ford Thunderbird in Russellville, Arkansas has been with the same family since the 1990s. Powered by a 351 Windsor engine. It runs and drives but has an oil leak and a missing driver's door panel. A classic in green on green, this coupe is a bargain for Thunderbird fans. 8. 1977 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan. This blue 1977 Chevrolet Caprice, located in Waco, Texas, runs and drives but needs a little TLC. With just 62,350 miles on the clock and only 2 owners, it's a solid candidate for restoration or customization. 9. 1969 Chevrolet Nova, 2000. A true project car, this 1969 Chevrolet Nova in Waco, Texas features a straight-six engine that currently won't crank. While it has rust, none of it has eaten through the metal. The seller is including the title, and at just $2,000, this Nova is a steal for classic car enthusiasts. 10. 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger regular cab long bed. This 1979 Ford Ranger in Moss Bluff, Louisiana is a great project truck. It has a 400 V8 motor, functional lights and dash, and good wheels and tires. Although it needs interior work and general maintenance, it's priced attractively at $2,000 cash. 11. 1979 Buick Regal Custom Coupe, 2500. This 1979 Buick Regal, located in Dallas, Texas, features a V6 engine and a gray exterior with a burgundy interior. Described as a solid project car, it's perfect for someone looking for a straightforward restoration. The title is ready for transfer, making this a hassle-free buy. 1976 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan, $2,000. Last but not least, we have this 1976 Chevrolet Caprice Classic from Cumming, Georgia. While it hasn't run in over 20 years, the engine does fire up and the body is in great shape with only surface rust. The 325 small block engine and auto transmission are waiting for someone to bring them back to life. The sale includes a clean bill of sale but no title. Which one caught your eye? A roaring Ford, a classy Buick, or maybe that rare Nova? These classics won't stick around for long at these prices. Let us know in the comments which one you'd take home. And hey, if you're looking for more incredible finds like these, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. We've got even more treasures to uncover.